Did you know that over 85% of people struggle with acne at some point in their lives? Clear skin isn't just about luck, it's about the right routine. Let's dive into K-Beauty secrets that can transform your skin. K-Beauty is famous for its glass skin effect, smooth, glowing, and blemish-free. But what makes it so special? Unlike harsh treatments, it focuses on nourishment, hydration, and consistency. If you've tried countless products without results, you might be missing this key approach. Struggling with acne, dryness, or dull skin? You're not alone. Many skincare products offer quick fixes, but they often damage the skin barrier. The frustration of trying new products and seeing no results? We get it. That's why K-Beauty is different. It's about gentle, long-term care. The secret? A structured skincare routine that prioritizes hydration and skin-friendly ingredients. Here's what makes it work. Double cleansing, removes dirt without stripping your skin. Layering hydration, toners, essences, and serums keep skin plump. Sunscreen daily, non-negotiable for preventing damage. Ingredients that work: hyaluronic acid, snail mucin, and niacinamide. Now, let's talk about the game changers. The 10-step routine, customized to your skin needs. Skin barrier protection, healthy skin equals fewer breakouts. Patience and consistency, visible results take time, but they last. Achieving clear skin isn't about expensive products, it's about using the right ones. Stick to a routine, keep your skin hydrated, and be patient.